want to show you what my mother used to do. She never, ever, ever bought breadcrumbs. And all my life, you'd go in the front closet and there would always be a paper bag filled with breadcrumbs. And then when she needed to make breadcrumbs, she'd call me Missy. Missy, go and make some breadcrumbs. So it's not like today where you can put it in here. When I was a kid, it was you get the bread with the cheese grater. So this is how I grew up with breadcrumbs. My mother never bought breadcrumbs. So we have a food processor now, so we're going to make our own breadcrumbs. It's a lot cheaper. It's fun too. So this is what we do. This is dry bread. I mean, I'm sure you guys have probably made maybe your own breadcrumbs, but I'll just show you how I do mine. So put some in here. And then put this on. And here we go. You see? Nope, not yet. Okay, good. Okay, then we take it off. And I already have this right here. I'm just refilling it with more breadcrumbs. Yes, that I do. So, we're going to just dump these in here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, good job. Yeah, well, I made a mess, but that's okay. Can't be perfect, right? And then we're going to just do it here. And let me see. I'm probably going to need some more. So we'll just this. So if you ever go to the store and just get a couple of paper bags, and the bread never gets moldy in a paper bag. So you can store it for, my mother would always have dry bread in the front closet. So yeah, it doesn't go moldy at all. So just make more. Yep, there we go. I've got some rice. And I'm going to let it cool down, and then my next video I'll show you how I make rice balls. So here's my breadcrumbs, and I will see you on the next one when I make the rice balls, okay? Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.